In the year 2125, warfare has undergone a radical transformation. Gone are the days of human soldiers on the battlefield. Instead, armies now consist of highly advanced autonomous robots and AI-controlled drones. These machines, equipped with cutting-edge weaponry and powered by quantum computing, can make split-second decisions and execute complex strategies with ruthless efficiency. Swarms of nanobots can infiltrate enemy systems, while holographic decoys confuse and misdirect. Electromagnetic pulse weapons disable entire cities in seconds. The concept of boots on the ground has been replaced by bots in the cloud, as military operations are coordinated from orbiting space stations. Human generals oversee the action through neural interfaces, their minds directly linked to the battlefield. But as technology advances, questions of ethics and control become ever more pressing. In this brave new world of warfare, the line between human and machine grows increasingly blurred.